Hello everyone, welcome back to my story is new. And this is Able, and I'm a developer from my store. So today I'll tell you what have we done in last 2 weeks. Okay, so in last 2 weeks we focus on build the new package that work with Magento Commerce. And as you know, previously, we already have some package that work with Magento Commerce, but the POS module in those package they did not work with Magento loyalty. I mean, Magento Real Point, Magento Store Credit, and Magento Gift Card. And after few months that we sell those packets, we take some feedback from our customer, and based on their demand and based on the result that our market researcher they research, we decided to build two new package that work with Magento Enterprise, and the POS module in that package will work with Magento Loyalty. I mean, uh, Magento Strawberry Gift Card and Pico Point too. Okay, and last week we released the first package, and we call it the My Store POS Professional Commerce. So if uh, you have already used Magento Commerce, Magento Cloud Commerce, you can consider to buy our package. And in that package, other function is quite similar with the last function that we built. And the last function we have POS, we have a coach management, we have adjust stock, we have transfer stock, we have supplier, we have purchase order, and we have two loyalty module. Our our loyalty, and this is my store reward point and my store gift card. And on the new version, on this new version, we keep all the module, almost the module. And as you see here, in that's in the main feature, I mean the main module that we will have in our like professional commerce package. And the first one is PWA POS. Of course, it will work with Magento loyalty. I mean you can config uh, and your customer can get your reward point or buy your gift card on Magento frontend, and when they go to your store, they can use them to create an order and get some discount. And it's the same with store credit. The second module is barcode management, and the third one is adjust stock, transfer stock. These two modules is work for you to help you to manage the stock, yeah, the Magento MSI stock. And last one is supplier management and purchase order. Those modules will help you to manage the package, the product that you purchased from your supplier. And next time I'll show you some briefly demo for our new package. Okay, so this is Magento site version 2.3.4, the Magento Commerce site, and I have uploaded and implemented our professional commerce package into this site. Okay, so first let's see the feature on the Magento backend. The first I'm going to show you is barcode management. So with this module, you can like generate your barcode. You can import your barcode like that you get from your manufacturer or your supplier, and you can print the barcode like yes, you can print the barcodes, and you can After print it, you can stick it on your product and stuff like that. You can use the barcode printer, the label printer, to print the barcode and stick it on your product, and your cashier can scan it when customer want to buy it. And those barcodes is also can is available to you to scan the product on our POS system. Okay, so the next one is transfer stock and stock adjustment. First, I'll show you a little bit about stock adjustment. Basically, when like I think almost the store owner, they will check their stock, check their product like each day or maybe weekly or maybe monthly, and those modules can help them to like to change to update their stock. For example, when I'm a store and I want to check the out my stock, my product on default source, I will create a new stock adjustment. If I saw that some of product they have like they have mm, they have wrong quantity. Okay, in here you can choose and you can add product list that you want to update the quantity. You can scan the barcode. Okay, I will get the barcode here because our package we built a solution, big solution, so that why all our module will work together. So with the barcode here, you can use them in adjust stock adjustment or use them on transfer stock or on the our POS on maybe on other module that we provide the scan barcode feature. Okay, in here, and after taking stock on our stock, I realize that this product is missed one quality, and I will adjust it to increase one. You see that immediately the new quality will change to 81. And the same with if you change the new quality, the adjust quality will be updated automatically. If you don't have the barcode, you can like basically add the product from product list. Click here, add the product and change quantity. If you realize that some product is uh, miss some they lost some quantity, you can like subtract them here. Okay, and the last way you can use is import. You can choose the CSV file that your staff they give you the CSV file after they like count the product in your stock, and you import to the system. After check all the information, you can apply. Okay, and you can apply the stock change. And after you apply the change, the quality will automatically and immediately update on the Magento system. Sorry, my internet connection today is not good, so the sound is so slow. Okay, so after you make the adjustment, you can go to product list and check the quality. Here you can see to the first product, they change quantity to 82 and 98. Okay. And the second feature, if you want to transfer some product from the warehouse A to warehouse B, you can use the inventory transfer. Create new stock sending. Okay. I want to send quantity from my default source to testing source. Click on prepare product list. Okay. Here you can also import your product by like two way. Means scan barcode or add product, basically add product, or maybe import the CSV file. Here I want to send two product to the testing source, and I can click send here. I can click send here. The quantity will subtract in the default source, and also it will update the new quantity for the, the testing source. Okay. After you click send, the quantity will be subtract on the, the default source first. I mean the sending source, and in the way to move to the destination. And if the receive source, they receive the item, you can go to the system and mark the item as the receipt. And click here. You can scan the barcode or basically add the product here. Fill the quantity that you receive and save it. Okay. And for the fastest way, if you receive all the item and you make sure that all of them is correct, you can click receive all here, and it will mark all the items as received, and the transfer stop will mark as complete. Okay, so let's check the product list and product quantity again. Okay, you see here the default stock, the quantity is 80 and the testing source quantity is 19, 18, sorry. Okay, so the next feature is supplier management. Here you can manage your supplier. Oh dear, my poor internet connection. Okay, here I already create two test supplier. Okay, you see here, if you go to like the supplier detail, you will see all the information about your supplier. You also can manage the product that they provide. And here you can add the product, new product, or import product, or maybe you want to delete some product that they didn't provide anymore. Okay, so with this information, I can create the purchase order to purchase new product from them. Okay, here you can choose some basic information to prepare your purchase order. First one is create the time. Second one is the supplier that you want to order. Okay, the next one is the currency that you want to use. Both currency is listed here. The currency rate, I mean the rate between the currency that you use and the base currency of the that is set for your Magento site. And after finish them, you can prepare your product list. Okay, and at first step, you can import or add your product to create a purchase order. You can add product from the supplier like that, or you can add by import them, or maybe add a back sale product. Back sale here it means the quantity will like less than zero, and you can order some of them. Here I want to order five of these products. After put all the information about the product and the shipping or the payment, you can add the shipping or payment information here. But for briefly demo, I just want to add the product only. After finish to add the product, I will confirm my purchase order. Okay, and here that means my product is coming. They are coming to my store. Then after receive them, I will mark the product as the receipt. You can scan the barcode here or select product, add them, and put the quantity that you have already received. Okay, after receive them, the quantity will not update on to the your store immediately because you just receive it, but you didn't transfer them to the specific source. So through this step, you can create the transfer item. You can choose the source that you want to send them and you want to update them. Here I want to update them to my testing source. I will add the product here, put the quantity that I want to transfer and make the transfer. Okay, like you see, my purchase order is complete. Okay, mark them as complete. Okay, so now I will check my quantity. Here's the SKU that I order. Okay, here you can see that this quantity in testing source is 5. Okay, so the last but not least is the POS function. And before demo, I briefly demo you about POS. I want to enable some config to show you as much as function that I can share possible. Okay, I will request some cache denomination. Okay, Yeah, I have $1, $1, $5. Okay. Now I will go to my peers. Okay, first, of course, you need to log in. Firstly, we'll get some basic configuration to open the POS. And here, when you start your working day, you need to create a session, and this session will help you to monitor the cash flow that cashier and the cashier and the customer did on the day, within day, or within a session, maybe a week, based on your demand. And here I will put some little money to my cash drawer before I open and I start the new working day. And here my opening balance is $10. Open new session. Okay. With the session, you can put money in to put more money to the cash drawer. Sorry, and maybe take money from cash drawer out. Okay. After create session, I can create all my order right now. Okay, I will add some item here. With the POS, you can also scan the barcode like that. Add them. Okay. If your customer have not already have had the account, you can create the order as guest customer, or maybe you can choose the customer account. Okay. So after finish to add the item, scan all the product that the customer want to buy. You will next to second step. And here you see we have gift card integration, we have stock credit integration, and we have report. And I'll show you. The first, I want to add the stock credit. Okay, so this customer has 89 stock credit. I want to use all of them. Okay, you see here I use 86 credit. Again, complete the order. Okay, so the customer will show on the order history. Here you can see the order is already have created invoice and ship, and this order is applied 86 stock credit. Okay. I will create the new order to check the record point and the gift card. Okay, add the customer, check credit first. You can see here I already used 86 points, so I have over 3 points in the left. And now I want to add a record point, and I have already 50 record point. And in backend, I also set the rate is what if for each 1 point I will get $1 for discount. So I will use them, but it's still have $59 left. So I want to add my gift card too. Check the gift card. Here is the gift code that I already generated. Apply them. Okay, here I have the gift card that is $50. Continue. Okay, so I have only $9 left. I will pay with the cash. Accept and complete the order. Okay, and here after complete the order, you can print the receipt that I've already included all the information about the order. Okay, check on order history. Here you can see my order. I have applied the gift card. I have applied the real points. Okay, now I will try to refund both order. First, I want to refund this order. Okay, you can see here when I refund the order, the store credit will be refunded. Add to the credit memo total. And if I want to refund the store credit to my customer, I will mark the refund to store credit enable. Okay, now I want to give him 7 credit back. Okay, next, cause all of the total will the credit memo total is 7, but the credit discount is also 7. So the credit memo credit total is 0. Here I will mark as refund. Okay, return back to the order. Now I'll check the customer credit. Okay, you see here 7 points is give back to the customer. Next, I want to refund this order. I want to refund all of them. And as you can see here, this will refund 50 reward points and refund 50 gift card. And it's the same with the store credit. You can refund the reward point back to your customer. And about the gift card, if you can refund the gift card amount that you applied to the order as the store credit here. Refund all of them. Next, refund. Okay, let's check the record point and the store credit left. The sorry, okay, back to $68. 68 point. Sorry. Okay, and the record point. Okay, it give them. I give them back 50 record points. Okay, so this is a briefly demo. I want to show you about our solution, our professional commerce package. So if you have any question, please feel free to send us and maybe send me. And okay, so and bye bye, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you.